The question of the day is, can I save this tank with Evapo-Rust? I don't know, but if you kind of look inside, you kind of see it ain't good. Let's see if I can get another shot of it. But trust me on this. As you can see right there, that's the whole tank looks like. Now it hasn't rusted through ... yet. But let's go ahead and fire some of this stuff in here. Alright. Probably use a funnel. But I don't need to. I think that'll be good right now. As you can see, it's sloshing in there. And we'll wait a week or so. Why am I doing this? No idea. Probably have nothing better else to do other than waste good Evapo-Rust on a tank that doesn't deserve it. However, this tank was in that Land Cruiser, the 82, for 39 years. Maybe this is a new one. Kind of doubt it. Or maybe it is. Don't know. But yeah, we'll wait a week and check out the bottom of it later. Like I said, I've got nothing better else to do.